Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering on and joining Wi-Fi so the Chromebook can update. This matters because updates enable security and apps. Sign in with your Google account to sync Gmail, Drive, and extensions. Once signed in, make sure to set language and time zone so system services behave correctly. If you need a secondary profile, add it now. Otherwise, skip to the shelf and launcher. These first steps get you online and ready for the next configuration actions. Now you customize how you work. Open the launcher and install essential apps from the Play Store or Chrome Web Store. Choose apps that match your workflow. Once done, tweak display resolution and touchpad sensitivity so navigation feels natural, and remap keys if needed. Make sure Drive Sync is enabled and set offline access for important documents so you can work without Wi-Fi. Finally, enable Android apps if you want mobile apps. This expands functionality and keeps everything integrated. Finish by checking for Chrome OS updates and installing them. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life. Backup files to Drive and set a PIN or smart lock for secure, fast sign-in. If things go wrong, try a simple reboot first. If issues persist, use Power Wash to reset or reset network settings to fix connectivity. One key troubleshooting tip. Power Wash clears local issues but keep backups. Only do it when other fixes fail, since it erases local account data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.